Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So I was talking to a new client, someone that was referred by a realtor. And as I'm talking to her about refinancing, possibly refinancing her property or pulling money out to buy another property, I always pull up the public record, the county records. In Florida, you look at the county records and you can see all their business, all the tax business, what they paid, how their taxes are being assessed, what the value is that they're using. And so I look it up for her and I'm like, how long have you lived here? Because your taxes don't look right. It looks like you're paying way more than you should. She was like, I've noticed that. So I look back, I said, when did you get divorced? 3 years ago. I pull up the quitclaim deed, which is when you're transferring title from one person to another. And I said, did they change your name in the process? She said, yeah, I changed my name and then we took my ex-husband off. I said, well, that's the problem. Whatever person that was doing the paperwork must have thought that it was a new person, just both named that first name. She went back to the county and guess what they said? They said, yep, you should be paying taxes based on your purchase of 2014 and not 2021 when you got divorced. So now she's possibly going to get some money back, but definitely going to save a lot of money in taxes going forward on that property. These are the little things, the little intangibles that working with an expert, someone who's been doing this for 18 years like I have, it's all I've done. It's all I did through the crash. It's all I've done the last 2 years when people are getting out of the business. I can't tell you how many people have closed down their mortgage companies because they can't afford the overhead. It's been tough in mortgages, maybe not in real estate for everybody. Some realtors are hurting, others are not. Some title agents are hurting, others are not. Mortgages, most people felt a slowdown in one way or another because we're directly affected by interest rates. I digress. This is the value you get working with someone like me. I look at everything holistically and I help give my clients the right advice. Mortgage Nerd out.